What is a trial tapper? First of all, let's get clear on the meaning of the words trial tapper. In this book, when I use the word trial, I am not referring to a courtroom with a judge. I'm referring to the struggles, challenges, setbacks, grief, loss, and conflict that we encounter throughout our lives. The word tapper, as used in this book, refers to the age-old profession of tapping trees for syrup. Similarly, we can tap into our own trials to increase in strength and wisdom. Trial tappers take positive steps away from being a victim and towards being a survivor. They recognize that answers and growth can come from within themselves or with the help of others. They use positive actions and choose to take one of several proven paths to become stronger after any trial. A trial tapper will use one or more of the tools in this book to move away from pain and towards hope. Another phrase you will see a lot in this book is Trial Action Path, or TAP, TAP for short. These are the tools that I have compiled to help you grow during and after any trial. Taking one of the taps will help you visualize finding strength inside you. There are many taps for you to choose from when preparing for and facing trials in this life. How does it work? This book will use the process of collecting maple tree sap as a metaphor or visual story to help you learn how to overcome your trials. A sugar maple tree needs to be tapped in order to collect sweet sap, which is hidden inside the tree. This sap is then processed into maple syrup. Much like a syrup tapper or farmer will actively drill into a maple tree to get to the sap, a trial tapper is someone that recognizes that answers and growth come from within. Over time, a trial tapper grows stronger and wants to share those positive paths with the world. By the end of this book, I hope you can join me in becoming a trial tapper. Each visual story is helpful on its own, and all the lessons overlap or connect to each other. The primary visual story I will use to connect with the other stories is the concept of tapping a sugar maple tree for maple syrup. Why did I choose sugar maple trees? Sugar maples are the major source of sap used for making maple syrup. Farmers will drill or tap a hole into a tree to access the sap, just as you will learn how to dig deep and access your potential inner growth. You can tap your inner potential. The way you become a trial tapper is through your mindset by the way you look at trials in life.
Trial tappers find hope, resilience, and post-traumatic growth after life's trials and traumas. I hope you enjoyed the illustration. If you want to see another one about how to avoid destructive patterns, you're going to want to watch this next video. See you next time.